As of the end of the year, both TAV and Edelweiss were both about around 15, 16% each. So they made up like close to 31% of the portfolio at year end. These are highest conviction ideas, and we feel very good about both of them. So taking the larger one first, Edelweiss, we've been investors in Edelweiss in the other funds I run, Pabrai funds, and known the management and the company for at least 7 or 8 years. So we're very familiar with Edelweiss. I had recently spent a half day in Mumbai with the various business heads of their different businesses. So Edelweiss is a financial services holding company, and they have a number of different businesses. They had spun off their wealth management business a couple of years back, very successful IPO. They are in the process of spinning off their alternative assets business. This is kind of like the Indian version of Brookfield Asset Management or BlackRock or Blackstone, etc. That company is likely to go public in maybe a few weeks or few months, and so they're in advanced stages. And Edelweiss basically is going to spin off a new company, one of their existing wholly owned subsidiaries, going public. There are about 4 of them that will go public in the next 4 or 5 years, cadence of about one a year. The market cap of Edelweiss is approximately 1 billion. Each of these businesses that are going to go public will probably come out at a market cap north of 1 billion each. So, I mean, from our point of view, the valuation makes no sense at all, because if I look at the alternative assets business, which will probably come public at a market cap of 1 to 1.5 billion, which is 100% currently owned by Edelweiss, its market cap when it's listed may exceed the market cap of the parent, which is kind of bizarre. But we had the same situation take place when they listed their previous business, which was the wealth management business. The wealth management business today has a market cap of north of 2.5 billion or so. And it also came public, approximately a billion plus market cap. And again, it was really not reflected. Plus, Edelweiss is still starting new businesses, and these businesses tend to require relatively low amounts of capital. They tend to grow fast. This is just squarely in the sweet spot of what is a very high growth area in India, which is, all the mutual funds and financial services and all of that. So we think that the position makes sense, and we think that we'll end up with maybe 4 or 5 different spin-offs coming out of Edelweiss in the next few years, all very nice businesses, insurance, mutual funds, alternative assets, and so on. And so we are happy to just be a shareholder for a long time. TAV Airports is probably the best management team I've met in Turkey. In fact, I would say it's one of the best management teams I've met anywhere in any